Hello friends, so today you are seeing a video about how to delete your YouTube channel. Okay, if you want to really delete your own channel, YouTube channel, so you can watch this video till the end and don't skip any penny times of this video. So first of all, you have to sign in your account and then click this symbol, and after that you will see this interface. Then you have to click on customize channel. आपको यहाँ पर click करना है. Then ये थोड़ा सा load लेगा according to your net connection, and then you have to click again this symbol and then click this symbol, that is a YouTube setting, and click this function and it will be shown further process. And then you have to scroll some page and you ought to click this advanced setting. यहाँ पर click करने के बाद आपको आगे का process नजर आएगा. So after click this, you have to scroll down and this is a delete channel option. You have to click this if you want to really delete your own channel. And what is written here, that is deleting your YouTube channel won't close your Google account. It means आपका Google account delete करने के बाद ये channel आपका Google account बंद नहीं होगा. So without hesitation you can delete your channel. So after click this option, you will be asked for type your password, and after giving this password you will be notified by your register mobile number by message. आपको उसके द्वारा मैसेज आएगा और आपको OTP मांगेगा, फिर आपका चैनल डिलीट हो जाएगा परमानेंटली. तो आपको वीडियो कैसा लगा, लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें.